Welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can motion blur in Premiere Pro. First, let's open your Premiere Pro app. Add the video you want to edit to the timeline. Move the timeline guide to where you want the motion blur to begin. Go to your project panel and right-click, select New Item, and choose Adjustment Layer. Drag it above the video you are editing. Go to Effects, and you will find Transform. Drag it to the adjustment layer clip. Once done, go to Effects Controls, click the timer icon beside Scale, and uncheck the box beside Use Composition Shutter Angle, and change the value to 360. Move the timeline guide for about 20 to 30 frames, depends on you, and change the value of scale to 300, or depending on how close you want the video to be. To achieve a smooth zoom effect, highlight both keyframes and select Ease In. After that, click the drop-down of Scale. Click and drag the blue circles until you form an arc. And there you go. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!